Stop settling for these $2,000 toy credit cards from the big banks. While everyone else is fighting over Navy Federal, there's a secret giant hiding in plain sight that is approving $50,000 credit cards, $50,000 personal loans, and $100,000 commercial credit cards. And anyone in this room can join. I'm talking about the United Federal Credit Union. I've seen people get denied by Chase, denied by Amex, and then walk into United Federal and get the bag. Today, I'm giving you the backdoor entry code through the American Consumer Council, the exact credit bureau they pull, and the 30-day rule that lets you double dip on multiple products with just one inquiry. If you're ready for real capital, type ready in the comments right now and let's get to it. Now, most people think you have to live in Michigan or Arkansas to join United Federal. Wrong. You can live in California, Florida, or New York and still get in. The secret is the American Consumer Council. Look, when you're filling out the membership application, they're going to ask you, how are you eligible? You select the American Consumer Council. And if you look in the description below, I'm going to give you the promo code that where you can join absolutely free. And guess what? Now you're in the door with a top tier federal credit union. But wait, before you hit the submit button, I need you guys to listen to me for a second. They do review check systems. If you've got 5 unpaid bank accounts and you're banned from banking, you need to clean that up first. They want a clean banking history because they're looking to build a long-term relationship. And look, if you guys can be patient and wait 90 days before you apply, guess what, guys? You're going to have a better chance of getting approved. And look, this is the part of the script you need to actually screenshot. United Federal pulls Experian for their personal products. But here's a money magnet secret. They keep that credit report on file for 30 days. Do you understand what that means? This means if you apply for a credit card today and get approved, you can turn around and ask for a personal loan or an auto loan next week using the exact same credit pull. Look, you aren't racking up 5 inquiries. You're getting 3 bags for the price of 1. This is how you build a $150,000 profile in a single month, guys. Look, if this is already better than what your local bank is telling you, go ahead and hit that like button and share this with at least one person who needs funding. Look, we're just getting to the $50,000 credit cards. So if you're ready, let's talk about the personal products. They have 2 main cards. They got the Elite Rewards and they have the Platinum card. These cards go up to $50,000 limits. Look, if your credit is still in the rebuilding phase, they have a secure card that graduates. Look, you put the money up, you show them you're responsible, and they give it back to you and turn that card into a high limit unsecured line. Look, usually you might want to bank on about 6 months to a year if you're rebuilding to get high limits. But if you got a 700 credit score, your credit cards are 3 to 5 years old, and you got comparable limits, $25,000, $30,000 limits, I would say you have a great chance of getting approved for these credit cards. But remember, try not to have any negatives and very low inquiries. And for my people who like the no-doc style funding with the 800 credit scores, look, their personal loans also go up to $50,000. Imagine having a $50,000 card, a $50,000 loan. Look, that's $100,000 of liquid capital to start your business or maybe even flip a property. And I just want you guys to know something. Like banks like Chase were giving out $50,000 and $75,000 credit cards last year. That's not happening this year. I'm telling you, the money is on the personal side if you're looking to start a business. You can get a lot of loans out here with no docs and very little paperwork that you have to give them. Look, and I know some of you are tired, okay? Some of you are tired of those no's. You're tired of the 550 credit score holding you back. I get it. But listen to me. Funding is just a math problem. When you know which bank pulls which bureau and how to join through associations like the ACC, look, those no's turn into a yes. You aren't stuck. You just didn't have the blueprint. And I'm going to tell you, you got it now. And those of you who got credit problems, I got something special for you in the description. So make sure after you watch this video, take a look around the description. We have things that can help you with their credit score. All right, let's talk lifestyle and assets. United Federal has auto loans that go all the way up to 84 months. Now, I don't want you in a car loan forever, but that long term keeps your monthly payment low so that your debt to income ratio stays healthy for more business funding later. All right, and now for my future homeowners. Look, guys, they got several loans. I mean, they got VA loans, jumbo loans, but they also have a 0 down home buyer mortgage. You can get into a home without draining your savings. And that is how you keep your cash for investments or starting a business while you live in your dream home. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, Marvin, this sounds great, but my Experian is a 700 and I don't know where to start. Look, I'm gonna tell you right now, stop guessing. I got a link in the description below where you can book a free business strategy call with me and my team. And I just want you guys to know, we're gonna sit down and we're gonna look at your specific situation. We're gonna show you exactly how to get your profile ready. I'm talking all of this on the same call. And if you're ready to move forward, we'll show you how to get some of these $50,000 approvals. And I want you guys to realize we're not selling you anything. This is a free business strategy call. Now, if you decide to go further, yes, we do have fees, but why not look at it and make sure if you click that link, make sure that you have a 700 credit score, because I don't want to waste your time and we don't want you wasting our time. Now, let's get to the big daddy of them all. For my business owners, look, I'm going to tell y'all something. This is one of the biggest credit cards I've seen with a lot of credit unions. This credit union has a commercial credit card that goes up to $100,000. Again, they're going to be looking at your personal experience, but this is a business level limit. Now, also, I want to tell you, I did call them. They will be looking for tax returns, business and personal, if you want to go for this credit card. But think about this. This is for inventory. This could be for marketing. And maybe you're trying to buy a big piece of equipment. Now you can use this $100,000 credit card to take your business to the next level. So if you've been stuck with a $10,000 limit on a Spark card, or now, Chase is only giving out $10,000 if you just started a relationship, I'm going to tell y'all, it's time to level up to a 6-figure credit union that actually wants to see you win. And I want you guys to realize this. A lot of you get the funding, but then you don't know how to keep it. Guys, make sure you have a solid plan and a solid credit score, because the biggest mistake is inquiry maxing. Like, you've applied for this stuff, you got these huge limits, and then you lose it because you're not using it. I don't know if you guys realize this, but you can get these great limits, but if you don't use it within 6 months to a year, I've seen a lot of people lose these gigantic limits. So make sure that you have a plan for this money before you apply for it. All right. And if you already have too many inquiries on Experian, so you might get denied it at United Federal. Remember, clean up your credit report. Make sure you have no freezes, no fraud alerts. Make sure under your employment, you either have your business or your current job, and clean those inquiries up, guys. Do not have more than 3 inquiries in the last 6 months. And also do not have more than 3 inquiries on your check systems, because I'm here to tell you, this is a credit union with great limits, but you want to have a squeaky clean 700 or better credit report so that you can get approved. But if you don't have that, don't worry. If your Experian is too hot right now and you need to go where they pull TransUnion instead, that's why I need you to watch this next video right here about Lafayette Federal Credit Union. They pull TransUnion and they are just as aggressive with their limits. Look, I'm Marvin Smith, and remember, the bag is waiting. You just got to go get it. I'll see you in the next video.
And we're here to help empower your finances.